अल्लाह से करे दूर तो तालीम भी फितना, इमलाक भी औलाद भी जागीर भी फितना, ना हक के लिए उठे तो शमशीर भी फितना, शमशीर ही क्या नाराए तकबीर भी फितना. Today, the topic of our essay is Allama Muhammad Iqbal, the national poet of Pakistan. Allama Iqbal is known as the national poet of Pakistan. He was not only a great poet but also a philosopher, thinker, and politician who played a major role in inspiring the Muslims of Indian subcontinent. His poetry awakened the Muslim nation and gave them the idea of separate homeland. Allama Iqbal was born on November 9, 1877 in Sialkot, Punjab. He belonged to a religious family and received his early education in Sialkot. Later, he went to Lahore where he completed his higher education at Government College. He then traveled to Europe for further studies, earning a PhD in philosophy from Germany and a law degree from England. Iqbal's poetry is famous for its deep meanings, spiritual messages, and call for action. He mostly wrote in Persian and Urdu. His famous poetry books include Bange Dara, Bali Jibril, and Zarbe Kalim. In his poetry, Iqbal encouraged Muslims to awaken from their sleep, realize their true potential, and work hard for their future. He introduced the idea of khudi, selfhood, and stressed that the youth should develop self-confidence and strength. One of Iqbal's most important contributions was the idea of separate nation for Muslims. In his famous Allahabad address in 1930, he clearly presented the vision of an independent Muslim state which later became Pakistan. This is why he is also called the Dreamer of Pakistan or Mufakkre Pakistan. Although Iqbal did not live to see Pakistan's creation in 1947, his thought and poetry laid the foundation for it. Allama Iqbal passed away on April 21, 1938 in Lahore. His tomb is located near the Bachahi Mosque and Lahore Fort, and it is visited by thousands of people every year who come to pay their respects. His grave is a symbol of national pride and honor. Allama Iqbal's legacy continues to live on today. His poetry is studied and recited across the Urdu-speaking world, and his philosophical thoughts continue to inspire scholars, students, and politicians. In Pakistan, Iqbal Day is celebrated every year on November 9th to honor his contributions. His ideas of selfhood, unity, and the pursuit of knowledge remain relevant even today. In conclusion, Allama Iqbal was a towering figure who combined poetry, philosophy, and political vision to awaken a nation. His life's work was dedicated to uplifting the Muslim community and guiding them toward a figure built on dignity, unity, and faith. He will always be remembered as one of the greatest thinkers and poets of the Muslim world. दिलों की इमारतों में कहीं बंदगी नहीं, दिलों की इमारतों में कहीं बंदगी नहीं, पत्थर की मस्जिदों में खुदा ढूंढते हैं लोग.